I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a crochet grid pattern. First, gather your yarn and a crochet hook, typically a size H or 5, 0 millimeter. We'll start by creating a slip knot and then chaining a multiple of 2 plus 1 for your desired width. This foundation chain forms the base of your grid, ensuring a straight and even start for your project. We'll then move on to the first row, establishing the pattern. Now let's build the grid. For the first row, double crochet into the fourth chain from your hook. Then, chain 1, skip the next chain and double crochet into the following chain. Repeat this sequence across the entire row. This creates the characteristic open squares of the grid pattern. Remember to maintain even tension throughout to keep your grid looking neat and professional. Turn your work at the end of each row. To continue your grid pattern, chain 3 at the beginning of each new row. This chain 3 counts as your first double crochet. Then, double crochet into the top of the next double crochet from the previous row. Follow this with a chain 1, skipping the chain 1 space below. Continue this pattern, double crocheting into each double crochet and chaining 1 over each chain 1 space. This repetition builds your grid. Once your crochet grid reaches the desired size, it's time to finish. Fasten off your yarn, leaving a tail of about 6 inches. Use a yarn needle to carefully weave in all loose ends, securing them neatly within your stitches. This prevents unraveling and gives your project a polished look. Consider blocking your finished piece to even out stitches and achieve its final shape. For more deals and to grab some Little Trees black ice, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.